So, hello guys, and I am back. The Plosive is back. The only Plosive is back with a brand new video. And I know I was not for a week because of exams. So, I literally searched for LED scrolling display with LED matrix. This is 32 by 8 LED matrix, and there were hardly few videos which I thought they were useful. So I thought that I should make a video for my audience and those who scroll for those like projects, so they could get the help from me. So uh, this I have added some new features also. So like Bluetooth control, then it does not lost the data. So let's go and make this project very successful. So guys, let's go with the coding program, and I will give you all the codes and all the circuit diagrams in the link and in the description, and link is in the description. So let's go with the coding program. So guys, as you can see here, there is a Bluetooth serial terminal because we are using a Bluetooth serial terminal. This is an app which is not, this does not cost any penny, so you can download it from your mobile, and I will give you step by step tutorial also. So this is something which is like this, mdparallel.h. This controls our LED matrix display, and this again comes max 7219, 72 or 7218, or that's XX because. So SPI.h preferences means like here this is something, and I will also give you this one URL, boards manager. So this is the Bluetooth serial BT. Then these are the defined pins which we are going to just put the jumper wire in. Then this is something which controls the MD parallel, means the height, means the spacing between the alphabets. So this is something. So let's come to the serial, which will be right here. This is a serial monitor, and it should be on 115200. And here comes the first feature of, no, this is the second feature. The first feature is Bluetooth. The second feature is which the data which you put the previous one, means if you plug the ESP32 out, then it will, and again plug in, so it will be the previous data which was interpreted in it. So if you didn't understand, let me show you the practical only, then you will get it. So these are something which you don't have to convert something into. This is the working code which I am giving you, so you can just put your, means you can just copy it, then paste in your Arduino Uno, Arduino IDE, then just you can do it. So this is the code, and this is the circuit diagram. So guys, let's go, and I will show you the real-time informations, and of course I will show you how to use the Bluetooth serial terminal. So let's go.
All the code files and components are in the description below.
Let's upload our program to ESP32. So let us plug this in like that, and now so we have got our ESP32 on COM7. So let's upload this program. guys, the compilation is done now. It is uploading the code to ESP32. And it is done, and you can see guys, the control has been done. Uploading is done. And here you can see it has been so this is the default text which is uploaded in this LED matrix. So I will just give you some quick information, and then we'll just go through the outro. And it is about the Bluetooth serial terminal, how to use it. And let's go and see how to use Bluetooth serial terminal. So guys, let me explain the Bluetooth serial terminal, how to use it and how to just interpret it. So let me go to the Bluetooth settings. Then let me select the ESP32 LED matrix right there, and just allow the contacts. Okay, so here's my phone, and I will just show you the direct the screen. Okay, so our device is connected. So let's go to devices, and we will see the ESP32 LED matrix. Then let's connect it, and it is being connected. So let me just do like that. Just I have messaged the hello, and as you can see, it has been interpreted and it has changed its message to hello, and it is going loop by loop. So if I just plug out and then plug in again, so it will come the default only. Okay, so if you just want to connect it, so there is an option right there, so we can just put like that and it will be connected. So if I just text hello guys, what's up, so it will get interpreted. And that's it. So actually it is like this. Why I'm showing you, as you can see right there only. Okay, and guys, I hope you have understand it, and let's move to outro. So guys, this was all about this tutorial, and I hope you liked it. And this is literally very useful when actually our relatives come, then we can just put there or just in the entry gate, and we can just write there them welcome in our home, like just like XYZ welcome to our home, like that. We can literally custom it, and literally we can control with any power bank or any battery, and just plug in, plug out, and that's all. The data will be already stored in. So guys, I hope this was a loving project and you show support. I want the likes target to be almost 50. Please, I am a beginner. I need a startup in YouTube. So please, I hope you will give me support with the 50 likes target. So thank you guys. We will meet in our next video. So thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.